nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Hey, check it out. I got something new to play with. This is the Antop HD Smart Panel Antenna. It is HD TV and FM amplified, multi, that would be omni-directional, signal range up to 85 miles, it says. I had a $20 antenna that I put on the roof here when I built the antenna tower, and the storm got it. So the little motor that controls it was motorized because it was directional. It got blasted in the wind or something hit it, and now it kind of spins around freely. It doesn't really, it makes it a little hard to keep it locked on a signal when the wind blows and the thing just moves around. So I decided I would check this thing out. The folks at Antop reached out to me and said, hey, you want to try out a cool antenna? And I was like, hey, I totally do. So let's do it. So this will be the unboxing portion of this. I don't know. I'll have to install it another day just because it's already after dark here, but let's get it out of here. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff in this box. A lot of stuff. Okay, that seems like most of it. All right, it is bigger than I thought it would be. She's a big girl. All right, HD Smart Panel. It's the AT-800SBS. And you can see it's pretty large. Nice. Looks like it's got a mount here. Alright, and it looks like also, maybe we can play with this. It looks like it also has a stationary, like if I want to mount this inside, I can set this thing up on a stand. And I will do that. We'll tell you what, we'll do that tonight, and we'll do the actual, we'll do the rest of it another night. So yeah, there it is. There's how it stands up. And it looks like we've got, yeah, these would be our Vhf rods probably. Go ahead. Get those out of the box. And so those are just going to screw in like so, I'd imagine. Yep. Well, I will say that installing all this stuff seems fairly easy. Let me back this up a little bit. This probably should have been done on a different desk here. This thing's so big. Okay. There's one of them. Do the same thing on this side. So she's a fairly big girl. Okay. All right, let's see here. Let me get the manual out here. We'll see if I did this right, because maybe I should have done this differently. Included with this antenna are the Vhf Enhancement Rods. If you're located in an area that has weak VHS reception, use the rods. And of course, I am in what we would call extreme fringe. I'm in the bottom of a hole down here. All right, well, here's the manual for it. Talks about installing it. You can use the back mount, or you can use the sit it up and, you know, by itself mount. So pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We got this, which is our amplification box. And power booster. So it is a built-in amp here. This goes to the TV set. Right? So there's our adjustment. This is going to come in from the antenna. We do have a power pack that goes into this, and then this goes to our TV set. Or, and I'm sure you can do this, you can split this signal. So like in our house, we have a signal splitter, so I could feed 2 TV sets or 3 TV sets in our case. And so that's exactly what I will do in here. I have a TV set over here. If I wanted to add a second TV or whatever, I could. Well, it does come with one to split to that, but if I wanted to branch off to every TV set, you know, in the whole property, I guess I could do that too. So that's cool. Okay, it does come with a large pile and a nice outdoor boot of outdoor RG6, which is good stuff. For that's actually really high quality cabling. So I'm going to set that aside for now. When we install it on the roof, it's nice that it comes with it. I don't have to provide that for myself because that stuff's not cheap. But for tonight, for our little miniature test here, I'll use the short piece that would have jumped to another device here, and I'll use that as our antenna in. All right. And then lastly, we have our little power supply here. Just not very big at all, right? So our little power pack. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to plug all this stuff in, and we will do a channel scan and see just what this thing can pick up. All right, we got this thing hooked up. I've got my old converter here, my Venture, I think it was, and went from analog to digital. I got my little TV set out here. Let's go ahead and scan the channels, see if we can pick anything up. Real hard area to get any signal, so I'm really happy if we get anything. All right, we picked up some. So 3 so far. Looks like it's thinking about a few others. Wow, okay, 7 channels. Not bad for inside the building. That'll probably get me pretty much everything that can be gotten when I put it up on the roof later on. Not bad. Let's see what else we find. All right, so 7 channels. Of course, it's really windy out here, but that one's breaking up a little bit, but that's CBS there. Back out of this. And let's see what other channels we got. Antenna TV. And looks like we got some PBS channels here. Cool. So it's getting the signals. They're not the greatest because it's a windy day and this is inside. You can see them kind of breaking up a little bit. But I guess that'll wrap it up. That's pretty much where I'll leave it for today. A neat new toy. Anyway, take care.